Hello, welcome to Chi Trader. Below is a detailed introduction to Chi Scale Iceberg. Chi Scale Iceberg Order combine the features of Scale Order and Iceberg Order. By setting different price gradients for Iceberg orders, large orders are broken down into smaller orders to be completed. When a suborder of a price gradient is filled, the Iceberg order for that gradient begins to dispatch the next suborder until all suborders are completed. Let's place a buy order of Chi Scale Iceberg. Each quantity refers to the total quantity of each Iceberg order. Disclose quantity refers to the fixed quantity placed each time for the Iceberg order. Starting price is the starting price of the scale order, and ending price is the ending price of the scale order. Chi Scale Iceberg automatically divides the price gradient based on the difference between the starting and ending prices and the corresponding tick of the contract. In the order information, Chi Scale Iceberg allows you to separately change the total order quantity in single order quantity for each gradient on this basis, and allows you to add or reduce price gradients. The quantity of price gradients cannot exceed 50. Click on Buy, and the order is successfully placed. In the order list, you can see that the Chi Scale Iceberg order consists of 55 orders. Orders at the same price are split into multiple orders for execution. Additionally, we can amend orders. Let's have a demonstration. Amending the price of a suborder does not affect the operation of the parent order. Canceling any suborder will simultaneously pause the parent order. If a suborder is rejected, the parent order will also be paused simultaneously. Chi Scale Iceberg order can also be used in conjunction with GTC, GTT, GTD and Activate Time. That's all for the introduction of the Chi Scale Iceberg order. Thank you for watching. We look forward to you experiencing our product. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time.